Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Wink. In today's video, I am going to show you how to find someone on Wink. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Wink on a device and tap the chat icon at the bottom. On this page, tap the Create Chat icon at the top right. You will be taken to the search page. Here, enter the name of your friends or people you may know to find them. And that's how you find someone on Wink. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.